I literally couldn't find the stream anywhere on Google Maps. It didn't exist, the name didn't exist, nothing. All I had were fly fishing blogs, as shown here. So I had to go back to the drawing board to find a stream that would work for this project. And yes, I'm aware, I should have checked Google Maps to make sure it existed before I took footage, but I just assumed every stream had a name and information about it. So then I had to go find a whole new stream. And that stream was Cook's Creek, found in Mount Crawford, Virginia. So I just wanted to show on Google Maps where exactly I went. I went to Monger Park, which is in Mount Crawford, Virginia, which is about 15 minutes away from here at JMU, and fairly close to Bridgewater, Virginia. Now I wanted to get footage of this fork between Cook's Creek and Black's Run, where it forms the North River. Now the watershed acres for Cook's Creek is about 15,919 acres, which is about 25 square miles according to the EPA. The stream begins northwest of Harrisonburg, Virginia, and travels south into Mount Crawford, Virginia, where it empties into the North River. One of the biggest stressors on Cook's Creek is the presence of the cows, which have E. coli from their intestines that are put into the water through their fecal matter if they're able to get into the water. Now there were no gates present, no nothing, so they could easily go in. According to the Virginia Department of Conservation and Recreation, Cook's Creek has a 77% violation rate of E. coli within the stream. Cook's Creek was also on Virginia's 1996 and 2004 303D list due to the violations of their water quality standards for the presence of E. coli in the stream. A conservation plan done by the Virginia Department of Conservation and Recreation stated that a water body is considered impaired if the E. coli numeric water quality standard is surpassed more than 10.5% of the time during an assessment period. Another stressor on Cook's Creek is the presence of sediments and phosphorus, which contributes to lowering the dissolved oxygen concentration in the water column. This can be detrimental to wildlife that want to live in this stream. But now the question is, what is being done to combat the E. coli and the presence of sediment within this stream at Cook's Creek? A cleanup plan was created for Cook's Creek. With the help of certain stakeholders in the community, some BMPs or best management practices will be implemented and checked bi-monthly. This includes waste storage, stream buffers, retention ponds, erosion and sediment control, among other things. Thanks for watching, and enjoy this footage of Duke grabbing one of the 6 sticks he decided to grab while we were at Madison Run during our first stream video attempt.